You might think you're a great driver, but what if I told you that some of your everyday driving habits are silently killing your car? Yep, without even realizing it, you could be shaving years off your engine's life. In this video, I'm exposing the alarming driving habits that destroy your car from the inside out. So, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. 1. Flooring the gas when the engine's cold. If you're the type to start your car and immediately mash the gas pedal, you're not just being impatient, you're hurting your engine. Cold oil doesn't lubricate well, and flooring it before the engine warms up can cause premature wear on pistons, cylinders, and even your turbo if you have one. 2. Resting your hand on the gear lever. Manual car drivers, this one's for you. Keeping your hand on the gear shifter looks cool, sure, but it puts constant pressure on the transmission shift forks. Over time, this leads to unnecessary wear and eventual failure. Use the gear, then let go. 3. Riding the brakes on downhills. Gently tapping your brakes down every hill seems safe, but it cooks your brake pads and can even cause brake fade. Instead, use engine braking and tap occasionally to stay in control. Riding the brakes? That's a recipe for overheating and early replacement. 4. Shifting from reverse to drive without stopping. In a hurry? Shifting from reverse to drive while still rolling is a gearbox killer. It puts huge stress on your transmission, especially in automatics. Always come to a full stop first. Your transmission will thank you. 5. Driving on a near-empty tank. Running on fumes isn't just risky, it's dangerous for your fuel system. Your fuel pump relies on gasoline to cool and lubricate it. Running low can cause overheating, clogs from sediment, and eventually a dead pump. 6. Ignoring tire pressure. Underinflated or overinflated tires don't just affect MPG, they mess with your suspension, alignment, and even your transmission. Keep a tire gauge in your glove box and check monthly. It's one of the cheapest ways to prevent expensive damage. 7. Revving before you turn the engine off. This old myth, revving the engine before shut off, might have made sense in the carburetor days. Today, it just spikes oil pressure and causes unnecessary stress. Let your car idle briefly, then shut it down smoothly. 8. Constant short trips. Only driving your car for short distances? You're not giving the engine enough time to reach operating temperature. This causes condensation in the exhaust and oil system, leading to sludge, rust, and early engine wear. If possible, take it for a longer spin once a week. How many of these habits are you guilty of? Be honest. The good news? Now you know, and changing just a few of these can add years to your car's life. Hit like if you learned something new, and drop a comment with the one habit you're breaking starting today.